Hi, I'm here at Ag in Motion with Twyla Jones, Agronomic Innovation Lead for Nutrien Ag in Canada. Twyla, please remind us, we're talking about biological crop inputs today here, of course, talking with Spencer Harris about that earlier. Remind us what biological crop inputs and those biostimulants actually are and what they do.
Yeah, well, broadly, they're naturally derived products that we are going to work with a grower in their planning to help either improve their soil or ultimately applied to the plants to provide a benefit to our plants.
Okay. Now, is there a strategic approach a farmer should consider when they're thinking of using these products? Are they doing soil tests, field mapping out problem areas? What does that look like for growers?
All of those things.
Okay.
I think when we start talking about this landscape in this space, which is relatively new, growers really should take a holistic approach to it.
Okay.
Integrated crop planning should be part of it, not just in their traditional herbicides and fertilizers and pesticides, but also starting to incorporate these biologicals. It really should be a part of the overall objective of the farm and the grower himself.
Okay, and that's where Nutrien, I guess, looks to help. The agronomy side of it, Nutrien looks to help growers as well implement those kind of things.
Absolutely. We have a whole network of people on my team, the agronomic innovation managers who help support retail. We have our proprietary reps who also support our products from a technical standpoint as well as from a sales and marketing standpoint, right down into our sales agronomists in every local branch that are trained on these products. We spend a lot of dedicated time in the winter with these folks, making sure they understand how they will work best for the best grower experience in Canada.
Okay, so when it comes to timing these products for a crop, is it kind of done throughout the year, or are there specific times other than what a farmer might normally do with conventional fertilizers and products like
I think it depends on the goal of that individual grower.
Okay.
Many of these products can be applied right from pre-plant up until fungicide timing. So it really depends on what that grower's goals are and what they're trying to achieve. So we have options all throughout the growing life cycle for our crops here in Western Canada.
What does a timeline generally look like when a farmer looks to implement these types of things? Are you looking to kind of do it all at once, or is it kind of a gradual approach?
I would say our experience so far is a gradual approach. This is a new concept for growers in Western Canada. So we tend to start with some of the basics like our biologicals that we apply to our fertilizer pearls, such as Atlas XC. We've had great success with that. That's a great place for a grower to start working with biologicals on their farm by enhancing that phosphorus fertility, and they see the benefits from that. We tend to grow from there, and then they can look at some of our foliar applied products. We've brought in a brand new product this year, Black Max WSG, which is really important for the Western Canadian market. It's a granular humic product, and it's really been impactful in helping growers start looking at their soil health and understanding even a little bit better what those microbes are doing in the soil. And we're doing some testing this year with soil biome testing out of our Waypoint Analytics lab in the US, and trying to really understand what changes are taking place in the soil when we use these new products that we're bringing into the Canadian market. So that's being done exclusively through my team right now, and we're really working with the R&D team at Waypoint to understand what the Canadian soil health landscape looks like, what that biome looks like, and understanding how our products are impacting it.
Great.
Lots of work going on, a lot of great research taking place.
Is there anything you wanted to add that I didn't ask you about today when it comes to Nutrien's approach to using biologicals in fields?
I think that one of the things that we're really keenly interested in is working not just with the academic world here in Canada at the University of Saskatchewan to understand soil health benefits, and also working with supplier partners on biologicals and how we can make sure that we're positioning products properly with our growers for the best success and for the best outcome, so that they understand what they're applying, what they should expect from the products, and then following through with them to make sure that those expectations are met.
Thank you for your time, Twyla.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you as well.